Hi, this is Bob Friedenthal, the CEO of EdgeUp Network. This is a training document on using Google Drive, Google Documents. If you noticed when you first signed up with us, we asked you for a Gmail account. And the reason we asked for that is because we use Google Drive extensively. So the way that you get to Google Drive is you first click on the log into your Google account, your Gmail account, whatever the case may be. And you'll see 9 little buttons sitting at the top here. And if you click on Drive, it takes you into your Google Drive documents. So we've posted several different documents for you. So I'm going to pull up, well, I did already. Let's see. Let me go into it. So here is a Google Drive document that has been shared with you. The way you share the documents is you click on this, you click on that, and there you see the various people that are accessed with Google Drive, Google Documents. This is interactive documentation, which means that you and your partners can be on the same page at the same time. This sits in the cloud, as they say, and you can see what each other is typing. So it's great for interactiveness. A lot of the colleges are requiring it now for many of their students, so that when they post materials, it's in there in a basis that they can go in and access it and take notes, etc., etc. You also don't have to save on Google Drive. It automatically saves as you go along. So you don't have to save and send it to somebody. It's not like with emailing where you have to send it over. They have to review it, look at it, and send it back with their corrections. This can all be done on this document, any document you're working with that is in Google Drive. There are many different applications for Google Drive, but just to show you, the two primaries that we use are Google Docs and their sheets, which are spreadsheets. So here they are. If you notice, I clicked on New. You have Google Docs. You can create one right there, or you can create a new spreadsheet. This one we already put together. I wrote out all the pieces about how the 9 bullet points of teaching people about LinkedIn. And we made it interactive with you so that you can see it and share it and do things with it. So what I've done, if you notice, is I've created different trees of these documents into various accounting, Eventbrite forms, etc., goals, LinkedIn management documents, etc., etc. So it's a pretty cool tool. So it's not very difficult to use. I hope that this video helps you with it. One other little piece we could talk about, see these 4 little buttons here? It changes the documents to this. I think it's much more difficult to find and read, so I always operate in this kind of a spreadsheet, or a layout, I should say. So we have produced a number of documents for you, and you should see them under Shared with Me. So if you click on this, these are all different shared documents that I have for clients, and you should see a series of them coming up for us and from us. And if you need to put it into a folder, you can do that. And by the way, let me do one other thing while we're here. This document, you can, by starring it, it means that it's probably more of a priority document, and then you can organize it by dropping it into the documents there. And again, here are the people that you share it with, etc. You can request their Gmail address to share with them, and away you go. So if you have any questions on using Google Drive, Google Documents, please make sure to contact me, Bob at edgeupnetwork.com, 310-736-5787. Thank you much. Bye now.